Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Binance Coin. In today's video, we will take a look at this breakdown from this down channel. Binance Coin has broken down this channel that we were watching in my previous video. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this down channel that was formed on this 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see that Binance Coin has broken down this channel, and after this breakdown, our target to the downside was here. That was at $238, but the Binance Coin is dropped here. That was up to $204 approximately. It has tested the $200 support as well. And now if we switch to the weekly time frame chart from here, then this was the key support I was telling you at $218. In fact, from $218 to $200 is a very strong support zone for Binance Coin. And we can see that since after it has broken out this support zone that was previously breaking as a resistance, it tested this support here after Feb 2021. It has tested the support here. We had a very big rally, tested the support here. We had a very big rally, and you can see here we also tested this 200 support as well. And here we entered in this support zone but could not break it down. And even here we entered the support zone but could not break it down, and we had another rally from $207 to here approximately up to $337. Let me just show you this bounce on the daily time frame, and here you can see that we dropped at $207 and again we reached $337 but could not break out the resistance here, and again dropped down at this support. And at the same time, if we take a look at the Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is also testing very significant support of 200 weekly simple moving average. If Bitcoin starts any reversal move from here, then Binance Coin can also start a very powerful reversal from here, like it is doing every time. And by the way, let me to tell you one more thing, that here Binance Coin has also formed a head and shoulder pattern, and this was the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern that Binance Coin has already broken down. And after this breakdown, our target to the downside is very low. Even you can see it is showing us the projection at approximately $7.09. In my point of view, Binance Coin is not going to hit this low target because we have so many supports, and the most significant support we have is this one, that is a red line of 200 weekly simple moving average that is moving at $156. And it is possible that if it will break down the support of $200, then it can test its 200 simple moving average. So next few days can be really very important for Binance Coin, because at the same time Bitcoin is testing very significant support, and Binance Coin is also testing a very significant support. And if Bitcoin test this support successfully of 200 weekly simple moving average and start any reversal move from here, then we can expect that Binance Coin can also start a big move from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.